Hi, Hannah. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, videos on, please. Okay, we're going to start now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and share my screen. Okay, we're going to have a presentations today, right? We're going to have the presentations today. So let's wait until David joins. Okay, and until then, let me tell you about a test on Friday. This week, Friday, I'm going to keep one test for you. Anil, have you given the test of A Tiger Comes to Town, Part 1?
Oh,
No.
so I just completed the snake dance.
Say again, please.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Can you repeat that?
Yeah, ma'am. I think I only wrote about snake bite, ma'am, the first case.
The first lesson you wrote about snake bite. Okay. And do you remember me doing the eighth chapter with you about the letter?
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
You remember, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll be taking test of the eighth chapter
Yeah, ma'am.
about the letter this Friday. Okay. And
Yeah.
then one more test will be there maybe next week. Yeah, next week, possibly on Thursday. Okay, maybe the third or the fifth chapter, I'll be taking a test on next week, Thursday. This week, Friday, test of chapter 8, a birthday letter. Okay,
Okay,
whatever
ma'am.
grammar is there in the lesson and whatever theory portion is there, you have to prepare for the test. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, all right. So, are you all ready with the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Okay, okay, Haniel, you can go first. And Miraculum, you can get ready till then. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, I'm stopping my screen and Haniel, you can share.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute,
Mm.
ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Haniel. Please keep your video on also.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Actually, my video like is not working properly.
Not working properly.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Ma'am, can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes, I
Yeah.
can see.
Indian Weavers by Sarojini Naidu. Weavers weave at break of day. Why do you weave a garment so big? Blue as the wing of a halcyon night. We weave the ropes of a newborn child. Weavers at fall of night. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Why do you weave a garment so bright? Like the plums of a peacock, purple and green. We weave the marriage wheels of a me. Weavers weaving Solomon and still. Why do you weave in the moonlight chill? White as a feather and white as a pretty. We weave a dead man's funeral. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Do you want to tell a little bit about the poem from your side? Some conclusion?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like in this poem, like everything in this poem, like through this Indian weavers, they have shown every life stage or every milestone which is there in our lives, from a baby and to marriage and to death.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Hanu. All right. Good work with the presentation. Um, there are, let me tell you, let me give you a conclusion on it. Okay. Firstly, in your presentation, I liked your backgrounds, okay, the images. Good work with the images that you've taken. Very beautiful visual images, and also good work with the fonts also. Clear writing was there. Okay. Clarity is there. So good work with that. And what I want to add in for the next time you prepare a presentation is this. Number one, when you're starting the presentation, you can give a little introduction about yourself. Okay. You can tell your name and class. Okay. And
Yeah.
then you begin with the presentation. And after you're done with the presentation, you also have to add in some conclusion from your side. Okay, like you have shared the poem, then at the end you have to explain the poem a little bit and add your own conclusion. Okay,
Okay.
that also we do. So that is all. Like we
Okay.
start with the introduction and then with the conclusion, and also describe a little bit about the poem. Okay, like by yourself, from your side, you explain it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise, go to your channel. Okay, Miracle, ready?
Yeah.
Miracle.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, just 2 minutes more.
Okay. Hanian is giving the English exam in the October-November batch this year, right, Hanian?
Sorry. Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Marathon, are you ready? You can share your screen now.
Can you see it, ma'am?
It's loading. Okay, I can see it
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. Um, can you see, ma'am?
Yeah, yes, it's visible.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present Chapter 9 Gold Medals, written by David Roth. This poem teaches us the importance of kindness, teamwork, and humanity. David, about the author. David Roth is the host of 9 gold medals. Through this inspiring poem, he shows that helping others and showing compassion are more important than winning. His poem teaches us to value humanity and teamwork.
Did you change the slide, Miraculin?
Yes, ma'am. But
It is not visible. Like I can only see the first slide if you're changing.
because
Yeah, it is network issue. You can keep your video off and then try.
okay, ma'am. Can I start the presentation once again from the beginning?
Um, yes, yes, that's okay. No problem.
Can you see
It's loading. Okay, I can see your screen now. Yes,
Can you see it, ma'am?
yes,
Right.
Marathon, I can see.
Okay, okay. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to present Chapter 9 Gold Medals, written by David Roth. This poem teaches us the importance of kindness, teamwork, and humanity. About the author. David Roth is the poet of 9 gold medals. Through this inspiring poem, he shows that helping others and showing compassion are more important than winning. His poem encourages us to value humanity and teamwork. Uh, Based on fixed rate in 100 month kindness. Character The main characters are the 9 athletes. They are determined and hardworking because they train for the race. They are also kind and compassionate. Um, Instead of focusing only on victory, they choose to help a fellow runner, showing a true sportsmanship. Summary Part 1. The poem begins with 9 athletes gathering for a race. They are excited and ready to compete. When the race starts, one runner suddenly falls down and is unable to continue. He feels disappointment because his dream of winning seems lost. Summary part 2. The other 8 runners stopped the race and returned to help the fallen athlete. Together, all 9 athletes walk hand in hand to finish the line. The crowd cheers loudly because they have shown kindness and unity. This becomes a great victory than winning a gold medal. Theme of the poem. The main themes of the poem are kindness, compassion, teamwork, sportsmanship, and humanity. The poem teaches us that helping others is more important than personal success. Yeah, I want to tell what I have learned, ma'am, from this poem.
Mhm.
Yeah, from this poem, I learned that true success is not always about coming first. Helping others, show empathy, and working together are the greatest achievements in life. Humanity is more valuable than skill. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Good work, Raglan. Good work with the presentation. Awesome you did today. And there are some corrections that I want to make for you. Okay. The first thing is like some spelling mistakes are there in some of the headings. Okay. Like when at the starting there was the introduction page. So there was written introduction, then gap, and then T. Okay. So that was there, and also another part there was spelling which was only half written. I think that must be the typing error or something. Okay,
Yeah,
because
typing mistake.
when we are writing this, editing all this, sometimes that happens. We type, but that doesn't take the font that we are typing. Okay, it gets missed out sometimes. So what you can do is, once you're done making with a presentation, you can review it once again and recheck it. Okay, next time. And one more thing is that the theme of the poem doesn't come after you have like said about the poem. It comes before that.
Yeah,
Okay.
before, like the first slide after the
Yes.
introduction.
After the introduction, you will say the theme, okay, then your character sketch and everything, and then you will describe the poem, and then you give the conclusion and your remark, like what do you think about that? Okay, that way it works. Otherwise, I loved how like you didn't put too much into the slide, but you said like the explanation was very good. Okay, the explanation was very good. Usually it is this way only that we put very less or lesser content in the PPT, but we explain more content from our own side. Okay, so the presentation was good. The slides were good, backgrounds and clarity, everything was good. Okay, besides that, was just that there's spelling mistakes, so you can just recheck next time, review. Okay, and just the theme part. Otherwise, good work. Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Yes, David, are you ready?
Just give me 5 minutes, ma'am.
You need 5 minutes. Okay, what can we do for 5 minutes? Okay, Miraculin and David, I just told Annie, I think I told Miraculin also that we will be having test of chapter 8 of English on this week, Friday. Okay, on Friday we'll be having test of chapter 8 of English, which is a birthday letter. Okay, lesson 8, a birthday letter. Okay, let me quickly tell you what will be coming to the test until in the test until David prepared. Okay, word meanings that are at the side. Please prepare the word meanings which are mentioned at the side of the lesson right here. Okay, then you have to prepare question answers. 8.1, these word meanings. Okay, now in the grammar part, we have homophones in this lesson. Okay, so you prepare homophones, the words that sound similar in the pronunciation, but their spelling and their meaning is different. For example, break and break, B-R-E-A-K and B-R-A-K-E. Okay, both are different. For example, heal and heal, H-E-A-L and H-E-E-L. Words that have similar pronunciation, same pronunciation, but different spelling and different meaning. Okay, prepare homophones. Then you have to, let's see what more grammar do we have. Questions you have to do. Okay, these are the questions. Part 3 also questions. Prepare questions. And constructing WH questions. WH questions means questions starting with WH. When, whom, okay, where, whose, which, why, what, and so on. Okay, please note that how is also included in WH questions. Okay, when we say WH questions, we just not only include the WH words, question words, but also include how. How is not starting with WH, but still it is included. Okay, so WH questions also please prepare imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences? Those sentences which are used to give instruction, order, or make a request are imperative sentences. Those sentences used to give an order, okay, instruction, make a request are all, or a command are all imperative sentences. Prepare imperative sentences also. And okay, letter writing we have in this lesson, that is informal letter writing. Okay, informal letter writing we have in this lesson. Now, see, the informal letter writing is very simple. You have to write the sender's address, okay, the date, okay, and the the salutation, okay, that uh, hi Ankita, or you can say dear uncle, okay. When you're writing to a friend, you can just write hi in their name. You're writing to a family member, you can say dear dear aunt, dear uncle, okay, like that you can write, and then you just start with a letter, no subject, no another address, okay. But I think yes, you put the date, you put the sender's address, date, you don't put your address, and then the salutation, okay, hi uncle, dear uncle, and then you write, start your letter, informal letter, okay, minimum 3 paras. I always say this, minimum 3 paragraphs you have to write in your letter, okay, minimum 3 paras, and then you end the letter with yours truly, yours lovingly, and then your name. Okay, informal letter writing. You can see here. Date is there. Okay, and salutation, my dear Udyan, is mentioned, but one address also we write. Okay, one address, then date, then salutation, then the body of the letter. Then we end it with yours lovingly and our name. Okay, so prepare informal letter and terminal questions also. Okay, do terminal questions also. Do you all prepare, like, before giving the tests? Do you all read the chapters also, or do you just do the back questions?
I read the chapter, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. I will
Okay,
also read the chapter.
yes. So that is very important in English, because what happens is that sometimes questions may come from the middle of the lesson, okay, from anywhere. That is the thing that we don't know from where the question will come. So the question can come from the middle of the lesson also. So it's very important that when you're studying, please read the chapter, okay, and then do the questions. First, you go through the chapter, read the chapter nicely, do the meanings, do the questions, then do the grammar. Okay, so because the question can be asked from the chapter, middle of the chapter too, and also like this chapter, too, it's easy. Who it's written by? Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, try to remember the authors' names also. Okay, try to learn, try to remember the authors' names also. All right. Okay, David, are you ready?
Give me 5 more minutes, ma'am. My laptop's not, it's taking a bit of time.
Okay. Wednesday will be a holiday for you, day after tomorrow. Okay, because I'm traveling on Wednesday. So Wednesday I won't be able to take your class. Thursday I will take, and tomorrow I'll be taking, and then Friday I'll be giving you all a test. Okay.
Oh, ma'am, I'm ready.
You're ready. Okay. You can begin now, and you can tell me what you do.
Can you see my screen?
It's loading. Okay, I can see now.
Um, so the poem is The Crocodile by Lewis Carroll. Okay.
Okay.
How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the waters over the Nile on every golden scale? How cheerfully he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws and welcomes little fishes with gently smiling jaws. The character sketcher. The crocodile in this poem is a cunning predator who masks a appetite behind a polite and cheerful facade by grooming its scales and displaying a welcoming grin. The creature successfully lures unsuspecting prey to their doom. The character represents the theme of deceptive appearances. The first stanza describes the crocodile walking on his shining tail and pouring water over his golden scales. The second stanza highlights his cheerful grin and neatly spread claws, painting a polite picture as he swallows the little fishes. Through irony and personification, Carroll warns that outward appearances can be deeply deceptive. The crocodile's friendly nature is actually a clever trap designed to lure unsuspecting prey to their doom. Rhyming words. Definition. Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Some examples of rhyming words are goat, boat, moat, float, and coat. The moral of the story is looks can be deceiving and we should not judge a book by its cover. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Good work, David. Firstly, I like this too. I like the poem because it like talked about a very simple subject, a crocodile, but a very deep meaning. That looks can be deceptive. Yes. Okay. So I like the moral and okay, some corrections for you. Also, I liked the simplicity of it. Okay, your slides were the clarity of the fonts. Okay, and everything about it, the crocodile images and everything. Okay, but some corrections. The first thing is that when you are putting character sketch, it comes before you start a poem. Okay, always. You can put the character sketch in a presentation before the poem, a little bit about the characters. Okay, and also um, when you're starting, you start with your introduction. Okay, like hi, hello everyone, I'm David. My name is David. Okay, and like name your name and class, and then you can start with the poem. Okay, today I'm presenting on so and so topic like that, and then you start with the presentation. Okay, and you also covered the grammar portion of the poem, so good work with that, rhyming words. Okay, good work with that, and the rest everything was good. So good work. Okay, all right. So we will stop here for today, and good work, all of you. Good work, and next time we can do this again. Okay, and please prepare for the test on Friday. We will be meeting for a class tomorrow. Wednesday will be a holiday, and then Friday is going to be your test. Okay, see you all. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.